Welcome to my Road Power TV channel. If you're looking for luxury, performance, and technology all wrapped in one stunning package, the 2025 Genesis GV80 SUV is here to impress. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the GV80 commands attention with its bold crest grille, sleek lines, and redesigned front fascia that gives it a more aggressive, confident look. The two-line signature headlights and taillights continue to define Genesis design language, but this year, everything just feels sharper and more refined. Under the hood, the GV80 offers two engine options. You can choose between a 2.5-liter turbocharged four-cylinder that delivers a smooth 300 horsepower, or step up to the 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 pushing out 375 horsepower. Both engines are paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and offer all-wheel drive, making the GV80 as capable on winding roads as it is on the highway. Acceleration is strong and confident, with the V6 powering from 0 to 60 in just under 6 seconds. But it's not just about power. Genesis has tuned the suspension for a perfect balance of comfort and responsiveness. The ride quality is superb, absorbing bumps with ease while maintaining sharp steering and control. Step inside and you're greeted by one of the most luxurious interiors in the class. The 2025 GV80 takes a big leap in refinement, featuring a new curved OLED display that stretches seamlessly from the instrument cluster to the center infotainment screen. It's one of the largest and cleanest interfaces you'll find in any SUV. The graphics are sharp, the touch response is immediate, and the user interface is intuitive. There's also a new rotary shifter that feels solid and premium, as well as updated materials throughout the cabin. Genesis has stepped up their game with even more genuine leather, open-pore wood, and metal accents. Comfort is a top priority in the GV80, and it shows. The seats are plush, supportive, and offer heating, ventilation, and massage functions in the higher trims. Second-row passengers are treated to spacious legroom and reclining seats, while the available third row is best suited for kids or short trips. There's plenty of cargo space when the third row is folded, and the hands-free power liftgate makes loading up simple. Technology continues to be a strong suit for Genesis. The GV80 includes a full suite of advanced safety and driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot view monitor, and a surround view camera. There's also highway driving assist too, which adds lane change support and more intuitive adaptive cruise behavior. For audio lovers, the available Lexicon premium sound system offers rich, immersive sound with impressive clarity. One of the coolest features for 2025 is the upgraded fingerprint recognition system. It lets you start the car, load your personal profile, and even make in-car payments without using a key. Genesis is clearly thinking about convenience and personalization in a modern way. And speaking of modern, the over-the-air software updates mean your GV80 stays current without a trip to the dealer. Fuel economy remains competitive for its class. The 2.5T model averages around 22 miles per gallon in the city and 28 on the highway, while the V6 comes in slightly lower. But considering the power, size, and luxury packed into this SUV, the efficiency is more than acceptable. Overall, the 2025 Genesis GV80 proves that luxury doesn't have to come from a German badge. It delivers style, substance, and standout value in one of the most competitive segments on the market. Whether you're driving it or just admiring it from the curb, this SUV makes a strong statement. If you're in the market for something that blends elegance, performance, and high-end tech, the GV80 deserves a top spot on your list. We'll see you next video.